So now I'm treating power of I in complex numbers. You know that from complex numbers, I is equal to square root of -1. So, and again, from indices, we know that I raised to the power 0, or any number raised to the power 0, is equal to 1. So, from here, when you say I raised to the power 2, what comes to mind when you say I raised to the power 2? That is the square root of -1, all squared. So then the squared will cancel the square root. So we have it to be -1. So this is the answer. So I squared is equal to -1. So let's try for I3. That's I raised to the power 3. With the I raised to the power 3, from indices, we know that when the bases are the same, then we pick 1 and 2, because this is equal to 2 plus 1. This I raised to the power 3. So then we have this to be -1 times I. So we have this to be negative I. So now let's search for I raised to the power 4. So the I raised to the power 4, we can have it to be I2 times I raised to the power 2. That's -1 times -1. And we know that negative times negative gives positive. So we have +1, which is 1. Again, one can solve this by saying I raised to the power 3 times I raised to the power 1. This is equal to -I times I. So we have this to be -I squared. What do we know from I raised to the power 2? That is -1. Negative times negative is positive. So we have 1. So we have different ways of solving this from indices. This simple addition. So let's solve some examples. That's I raised to the power 5. You know that 4 plus 1 gives 5. So then I know that I raised to the power 4 here is 1. And we have I. So then the answer here is I. So let's come to I raised to the power 10. You know I raised to the power 5. So then 5 times I raised to the power 5 gives us I times I. That's I raised to the power 2. You know that I raised to the power 2 here is -1. So -1. And we highlight this. And with this, one can solve this by saying I squared times 5. This is the same as -1 raised to the power 5. By punching it on the calculator, we have -1. Let's solve the last one. With this, we have the same trick we used earlier. That's 2 raised to the power 11 times I. Because 2 times 11 gives 22. 22 plus 1 gives us 23. So we know that I raised to the power 2 is -1. -1 raised to the power 11 times I. Punching this, we have this to be -1 times I. So we still have this to be -I. So anytime you are given any question, try and see the factors which are closer to it. By the way, always note that I is equal to square root of 1. I squared is -1. I raised to the power 3 is -I. I raised to the power 4 is 1. So we're using these in solving your questions. Thank you.